The biggest surprise, I guess, for me or for a lot of people watching the market is you might say, drying up the liquidity. Our trading volume has gone down a lot. We're down about 17% from last year. But having said that, the other ASEAN markets, there are two markets that are down, even bigger than us. But I don't want to dwell on that. So I was surprised because the, our our companies, the earnings were doing very well. The dividend yields were very healthy or very respectable. But somehow, I guess investors just decided to stay in the, I guess, fixed income, investment. As of June 2023, like mentioned earlier, if you look at the BSP report, there's about 7.1 trillion pesos in savings deposit, and about 4.5 trillion in time deposits. So there's liquidity in the economy, in the country. So we just have to make sure that we are able to convince these depositors that they should have some of their exposure in the stock market. When we were talking to GCash, when we were partnering, because we developed the platform for the trading of their subscribers. So we needed to know what is your projection, because we have to make sure our infrastructure can handle such trade. And we are targeting basically at least 10% of the 80 million subscribers of GCash to be eventually trading in the stock market in the next 5 years. Maybe not right away, maybe in increments of millions, but hopefully after 5 years, at least 10% of the total subscribers will be trading in the market. Now, 8 million might seem like a small number compared to 80, but you have to understand, we only have 1.8 plus million in registered investors for the last 93 years. So if you can get an additional 8 in the next 5 years, that's a game changer. Even during the pandemic, our trading continued seamlessly. I closed the trading floor, nothing, there were no problems. I guess investors now are used to trading digitally. A lot of investors now trade online. In fact, GCash, we have to provide them a digital platform where, when they open their GCash app, they can trade in the market. I mentioned, to even entice GCash subscribers, we've reduced the board lot. We've amended the board lot. You can now, subscribe just 100 pesos. You can now, subscribe in the stock market.